the only the rich people or elite people of the society will only be a member of Kiwanis International. But right now, with our team and also with some members na naging party ng family ng Kiwanis Club of Barbel, ay nagpapasalamat na naging member din kami kasi doon namin naranasan na meron din pala kami use, ano ba yung tawag? Hindi, may pulos kami sa society. Kasi nandyan yung service, no? Mag-servisyo ka sa tao without any return of money. Kasi alam natin, no? May mga tao talaga or may mga club na pera. Number one, dapat magkapera or fame, no? Magpasikat, gano'n. But we know that the Kiwanis Club or the Kiwanis International is moving or kumikilos sila without any spotlight o nandyan sa spotlight na gano'n, no? Kaya, I'm very